first snow. It's my second snowstorm after the one of 2012.
What is this place?
Our deck. I know. I'm worried I won't like snow anymore. But it looks so much fun, right?
Is it?
You even made a pathway for me. It looks like official. I'm so cool. You might want to close the deck door.
Why?
Baba, don't be weird. Just close it. Close it! Oh.
What if I don't?
Who cares? Whee!
Don't even think about it.
Why are you putting it in the snow? Why are you putting it in the snow? Why are you putting it in the snow, Daddy? Snow, Dad. Ah! Just one at a time. Gotcha! This is gonna be so much fun.
Is it?
Bye-bye! I know. Ow! What's that? It's like you actually punched me.
That's a snowball. Right.
How do you make a snowball? You win. How do you make a real snowball?
You give up? That's it?
How do you make a real snowball?
Just take a huge amount of snow. Like this. And use a lot of power.
Oh, like
Take
this?
a good aim. And throw it.
What was that?
Ah!
Gotcha! I got a real one, Bubba.
Bring it on.
I should actually bring it on. It's like a rock. Ah! Stop!